Dear friends, today we are going to talk about the maintenance of the temperature-humidity test chamber. Normally, every 6 months, we have to carry out a cleaning of the test chamber. First, from the condenser to start. This is like our chamber radiator. If it's blocked by dust, the cooling effect will be greatly reduced. We can use the air gun, blowing clean against the condenser. If there is a dust net, you can also need to take it down and clean it. Then clean our humidification bucket. After a long time, there will be a reducer impurities. Pour out the water inside, and then rinse with clean water. By the way, check the humidification water line to see if there is no blockage or leakage. The water filter is generally replaced once a year to ensure that the humidification water is clean. Lastly, do not forget to look at the compressed oil. If the oil is insufficient or poor oil quality will affect the life of the compressor, which in turn affects the performance of the entire test chamber. Okay, so much for today's introduction. If you would like to know more detail, please contact with us. Bye-bye!